Welcome to your journey from America to Spain. If you've been thinking about making this move but feel overwhelmed by the logistics, you're not alone and you're in the right place. Most people begin with excitement and then quickly run into questions. What do I bring? How does shipping work? What happens when my belongings reach Spain? The truth is, the process is manageable when you understand it. It's not about memorizing every rule. It's about having the right guidance. At SDC International Shipping, we don't just move boxes. We guide you through packing, freight, customs, and delivery, the coordinated plan. That includes helping you avoid the most common issues before they even happen. If you're just starting out and you want a clear picture of the full process, visit our website. It's a great starting point for understanding how an international move to Spain actually works. One of the biggest misconceptions is that everything has to be perfect before you begin, and it doesn't. What matters is having a plan that adapts as your timeline and documents come together. Ready to start planning your move with confidence? Call 844-651-7050 and speak with an SDC relocation specialist today.